Ofe Sala is a treasured recipe in Anambra and is a staple in many Nigerian households. What makes it so special is the use of fresh fish, which gives it a unique flavor and aroma that is hard to replicate with other ingredients. One of the biggest misconceptions about Ofe Nsala is that it's a complicated dish to prepare. But with the right ingredients and a bit of patience, anyone can make a delicious pot of Ofe Nsala. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my take on this beloved dish, and I hope I'll do justice to it. Hey Clarence Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Let's get started. The first step in making Ofe Nsala is to prepare the ingredients. I started by cutting the fish into smaller size, washing with hot water and salt, and also scraping out the slime with my knife. The ingredients I use are fresh catfish, stockfish, scallop bene pepper, utazi leaf, dry fish, crayfish, yam, ogiri, and lastly salt and the uziza seed. I went ahead and deboned the dry fish and washed it. Same with the stockfish, I washed it and set aside. I did the same with the crayfish. For the utazi leaf, I washed with salt in order to remove sand from the leaves. Also for the pepper, I washed and I cut the yam into tiny pieces. If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. You're highly welcome to Clarence Kitchen. Here we give out easy step-by-step superb food recipe for a healthy living. Please join the family by clicking on notification bell and subscribing to our channel in order to see our next video anytime it drops. Thank you so much as you do so. Once you've prepared your ingredients, it's time to start cooking. In a clean pot, add a small amount of water going with your dry and stockfish and a little amount of salt. Cover and cook for some minutes. After about 5 to 7 minutes, add in your yam and cover. Go ahead and pound the uziza seed, the scotch bonnet pepper, and the crayfish. Brown smoothly to form a paste. For the utazi leaves, make sure to chop the vegetables finely, as this will help them cook more evenly. Scoop out the boiled yam from the pot and pound. Adding little water and the ogiri. After that, add in the pepper, uziza and crayfish mix. Carefully and gently add in the French fish. Add in the pounded yam paste. This serves as a thickener. I added the remaining ogiri and the pepper, uziza and crayfish mix. Cover the pot and reduce the heat and let it simmer until the fish is cooked through. As the soup simmers, the aroma will start to fill the air and you will know that you are on the right track. Remember not to overcook the fish, as this can make it tough and rubbery. Lastly, go in with the potato leaves. OFE NSALA is more than just a meal, and in this video I've covered the essential steps of making OFE NSALA with fresh fish. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, I hope you've learned something new and be inspired to try this traditional recipe. Finally, it's time to serve the OFE NSALA. I like to serve it with a side of semovita swallow. As you take your first bite, the flavor will explode on your tongue and you will know that all your hard work was worth it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share to family and friends, and comment if you would like to see more Nigerian recipes, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video. Bye.